What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol HITI for High Tide Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. Now, we have covered this one a long time ago, so I basically just left up the most obvious areas from the daily roadmap, just noting this prior channel we were in, certainly the breakdown lows and bottoming area, and then, of course, we had some smaller support from in here, which was noted from this expansion of range back into this area here. The 38.2 was technically just below that $7 but all things considered, the main development here is a move back down towards the low end of the channel. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, you can clearly see that if we do something like this, we're at the support trend line, and you can even redraw this as channel and take this to the top, and you'll just notice that we're in a nice, upward channel. So all things considered, there is an opportunity here as we're at the bottom end of the range. So if we do start to see any signs of reversal early on in the session tomorrow morning, you can take a stab long here with a stop underneath the support trend line. If we look at this through the lens of the 30-minute perspective, again, any type of hammers that print down here, indecision dojis, basically anything that makes you question, is there potential for a reversal over these highs to get back into first the midpoint of the channel? That's always going to act as resistance, so the yellow dotted line here, and then of course the top end of the channel. That would be the full fulfillment of bottom to top end of the range here. That would be the trade idea at hand, with a stop loss, as we know, just under the lows of that candle. So that's the main development to really talk about. The bear case here would be if we fall out of this channel, then the line in the sand has to be that $7. So if we do backtest that area, and again do something like this from the daily perspective, be on the lookout for hammers here, simply noting that again it's the bottom end of this sideways channel, and now that we've recaptured it to the upside, it should offer some support. So if we do print a hammer, look for the long over the high to get back into some of these upside targets here, of course with a stop underneath the low end of the channel, which would be under 7 at this point in time. So those are my thoughts. Quick update: the channel is presenting an opportunity here at the low end. We'll see if we can get the rotation higher, or if we have to be patient and see what happens at this 7 round number. So those are my thoughts. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, certainly let me know down below in the comments section, or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.